So the biggest part of this job is making sure you get all the wires, making sure you get all these wires disconnected. I didn't disconnect this one as soon as I should have. This is for the ABS sensor. It's a speed sensor as well. And then also the brake sensor, which is down in here, which don't show that. It's on the caliper. It's on the other side of the caliper there. It actually sits on top of the brake down there. And then there was, what other sensor is there? Oh, and those are just the wires. So it's actually just these two wires that connect up to there. And these two wires here. You can see both those wires there. It's just like a network connection to there, just network stuff. And actually there's only two sensors, but I forgot that one. So other than that, I got the bolt there taken care of. This one was the worst though. This is full of salt or sand. It wasn't very corroded, but this one's pretty corroded. You can take a look at that. And then I'm just gonna need to take off that bolt that I already did on the bottom there. So it's actually 3 bolts is the main parts. Those, it's good to have a long extension. Where'd it go? Sorry, I'm so disorganized. Oh, there it is. Get one of those bars there. That'll make the job much easier. You'll get your stuff done way faster. Now I'm up here, just making sure everything is aligned. Just use a Sharpie and then align it, or just mark it, like I did there, onto those 3. And then we'll check and see how the alignment goes for that. Have a good day.